Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can get job in Google Ads within a minute. So what you will have to do is that first you will have to go to Google and search for Google partner directories. Google partner directories. Okay, Google partner directory. Now Google Ads partner directory. Google Ads partner. Actually, I forgot that we are searching for jobs in Google Ads, and so we will have to type Google Ads partner directory. And now you will see that a web page will open like Google partner directory, and you will get a link here, and you will have to click on this link. And now what you will have to do is now you will have to choose your region, and you can also if you want to search for any particular job, if you want for a job where you will have to make only search campaign or display campaign or video campaign, then you can also filter companies by the campaign. So what I'm here going to do is that I'm filtering companies by region. So I'm searching for Google Ad partners in India. So you can see that these companies provide Google Ads services, and they already have a lot of vacancies related to Google Ads. And you can see that these companies provide what kind of services in Google Ads. Like these companies provide search campaign, display campaign, video campaign, shopping campaign, and app campaign to their clients. So these companies have a lot of vacancies related to Google Ads. You can apply here by visiting their sites, or simply you can search their name in Google Ads, like Google Ad Yogi, Ad Yogi Careers, Ad Yogi Careers. You can also visit their site and check vacancies. So you can see that here vacancies has been listed by their by these companies. So you can see this profile like Amazon PPC specialist, digital marketing. They also may have vacancies for Google Ads. Just let me check this. Flipkart PPC, marketing manager, marketing development, digital marketing associate, account management consulting on. So through this way you can search for jobs in Google Ads within a minute. And you can also just go to their website and click on go to then career section. Yes, careers option, and you can see that uh, here their web page is not working, career section is not working. You can check other companies. So through this method you can get a job in Google Ads very easily, and I hope this video will be very helpful to you. And if you enjoy this video, please like my video, share this video within your friends. Thank you.